Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do I have a YouTube channel? It's my first video. Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Amber. So happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I flipped a $25 dresser I got off of Facebook Marketplace. Oh. So, let's go ahead and show them, Scout. There's some kind of gunk up here on this corner, and there are plenty of scratches that I knew as soon as I saw it that I was going to have to somehow fill in. Some of like the veneers coming off on this corner, and I found that in several places was happening. I used some plastic wood to fill in the holes and the parts of where the veneer had come off. I would squeeze a pretty generous amount in the hole and then just use a putty knife to kind of stick it in there. It didn't need to be perfect, and yours won't have to be either, guys, because when you go and sand it down, it's going to sand smooth anyway. Then I went ahead, guys, and took my sander and sand down all of the drawers. Then I used this Bullseye 123 primer. This seemed to work perfect for me. While I waited for the drawers to dry, I went ahead and took the shell of my dresser outside and sanded it down. This was more of a task than I thought it was going to be due to the amount of scratches and veneer coming off the sides of the piece. I had to go back a few times after wiping down what I had done and re-sand and reapply the wood filler. So again, this took quite a bit of time and was a little bit of a longer process than I expected in the beginning. Be sure to like if you like this video and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for the next one.